develop or develop? Which one is the correct pronunciation of this word? Dear viewers, welcome to Bornil Academy. I'm Hasan Mahamud with you. Today I'd like to talk about some words which are often mispronounced. So let's begin. Very first one is develop. Develop. It's not develop. আমরা সবাই খুব বেশি উন্নয়নমুখী, সেক্ষেত্রে আমাদেরকে এই ডেভেলপটাকে একটু উন্নত করে ডেভেলপ করতে হচ্ছে। So develop, develop. Next, move to the second one. How do you pronounce it? Prefer? No, it's not prefer. It's prefer, prefer. And in American accent, prefer, prefer. And this one is not preferable. This is preferable, preferable. Prefer, prefer, preferable, preferable. Next one is invitation, invitation. Though sometimes we pronounce invitation, but it's not invitation, it's invitation, invitation, invitation. After that, vegetable, vegetable. We say vegetable, but it's not vegetable. The letter E after the letter G in the word remains silent. Vegetable, vegetable. Next one is adjective, adjective, not adjective. There are three syllables in this word, adjective, adjective. Whenever we get the letter D before the letter J in the middle of a word, usually the letter D remains silent, like adjacent, adjacent is not adjacent. Adjust, adjust is not adjust. And last one, adjudge, adjudge is not adjudge. There are many more like this. And this one, it is not creature. Sometimes we pronounce creature, but it's not creature, it's creature, creature. And in American accent, creature, creature. Let's move to the next one. Next one is Q, Q. Some of us pronounce it QE, but it's not QE, simply Q, Q. And then picturesque, picturesque. It's not picturesque. আমরা অনেকেই বলে থাকি picturesque, but এটা picturesque হচ্ছে না. Picturesque, picturesque. After that, cupboard, cupboard. Don't pronounce it cupboard, cupboard, cupboard. Last but not least, our favorite, Wednesday, Wednesday, not Wednesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. So, dear viewers, please repeat after me. Develop, develop, prefer, prefer, preferable, preferable, invitation, invitation, vegetable, vegetable, adjective, adjective, creature, creature, cue, cue, picturesque, picturesque, cupboard, cupboard, Wednesday, Wednesday. That's all for today. Thanks for being with us. See you again with another video lesson. Speak right, win your barriers, just be the king of your own kingdom.